If you're working on coding the ABS module MK60EC1 for your vehicle, it's essential to ensure that all programming is done accurately for optimal performance and safety. This module plays a critical role in your vehicle's braking system, preventing wheel lock during emergency braking and providing stability during difficult driving conditions. Incorrect coding or calibration can lead to system errors, reduce braking efficiency, and even safety concerns. With years of experience in automotive electronics, I offer expert remote support to help you code the MK60EC1 ABS module accurately. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, my guidance will ensure that you configure the module correctly based on your vehicle's specifications. I provide step-by-step instructions on software usage, troubleshooting error codes, and final system calibration to guarantee a seamless and efficient coding process. To make it even easier to connect with me, simply scan the QR code provided. This will directly guide you to reach me on WhatsApp, where I can provide personalized support and real-time assistance, enabling me to diagnose and guide you effectively. Your convenience and the successful completion of your coding task are my priorities. So if you're stuck, unsure about a specific coding step, or looking for expert advice, don't hesitate to reach out.